Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing and review the HYLOGY blood pressure monitor. In the box, you'll get a guarantee certificate, user manual, USB Type-C cable, cuff by August 7 inches to 16.5 inches circumference, and blood pressure monitor. HYLOGY custom-made large LED screens give you a great visual experience, making readings clearer and users can view the results more quickly. With 2 power supply modes, in addition to 4 AAA batteries, you can also use the USB Type-C socket at any time and anywhere, which is convenient and fast. Clear large fonts and LED display for normal reading even in dim conditions. The colored bars on the screen can feedback the data, red for too high and green for normal. The newly added kPa and mmHg switching function make it easy for customers to switch readings. Place the cuff on the upper left arm and let the tube go down in the direction of the hand. Wrap the bracelet around your arm as shown in the video. Squeeze the free end of the bracelet and close the bracelet with Velcro. Place your arm on the table, arms stretch naturally and palms are flat on the table. The bracelet should be kept at the same level as the heart. Please be careful not to bend the tube. Then measure in a relaxed state. Press the power button to measure. Please do not move and talk during the measurement. When the measurement is successful, the systolic, diastolic, and pulse rates will appear on the screen. It is recommended to measure at least 3 times and obtain an average reading closer to your physical condition. Through repeated measurements, blood accumulates in the vessels, which can result in erroneous readings. Users must wait 1 minute for the second measurement. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.